Are you preparing your academic resume and wondering what to include to increase your chances of getting into your dream university? Well, you're not alone in this quest. Crafting a well-rounded academic resume is paramount to standing out in the competitive college admissions process. It's not just about the grades, but also about showcasing a variety of experiences and achievements that demonstrate your dedication, leadership, and personal growth. In this guide, we're going to discuss the top 10 activities you need to have on your academic resume. These include high academic achievement, extracurricular involvement, leadership roles, community service, research experience, part-time employment, artistic or creative pursuits, language proficiency, athletic achievements, and special awards or recognition. Each of these activities offers a unique opportunity to demonstrate your potential and passion. So, are you ready to take your academic resume to the next level? Stay tuned as we delve into each of these activities. First up is high academic achievement. The cornerstone of any academic resume is undoubtedly your academic performance. This isn't just about getting straight A's, but it's about showing a strong dedication to learning and growing intellectually. One way to showcase this is by maintaining a strong grade point average or GPA. This shows your consistent effort and commitment to your studies. But remember, it's not just about grades. Taking challenging courses such as advanced placement, international baccalaureate, or honors classes is also a great way to demonstrate your academic prowess. These courses show that you're not afraid to step out of your comfort zone and tackle complex subjects. They indicate that you're eager to learn, to challenge yourself, and to grow as a scholar. Remember, universities value students who challenge themselves academically. It's about showing that you can rise to the occasion, persist, and excel, even when the going gets tough. Next, we have extracurricular involvement. This is a powerful way to show those who are reviewing your resume that you're more than just a student. You're a well-rounded individual with diverse interests and a commitment to pursuing your passions outside the classroom. Whether you're a member of the chess club or the star of your school's basketball team, extracurricular activities are a fantastic way to demonstrate your dedication and passion. Perhaps you've spent your weekends volunteering at a local shelter, or maybe you've been active in student government. The key is to show your commitment, whether it's through a long-term involvement or a significant contribution to a project or event. Remember, it's not just about joining a club or a team, it's about actively participating and making a difference. Extracurricular activities provide a chance to showcase your diverse interests and skills. They help paint a complete picture of who you are, not just as a student but as a person. Our third activity is leadership roles. Demonstrating leadership skills is a crucial part of building an impressive academic resume. Universities and colleges admire students who take the initiative and assume roles that require responsibility and decision-making. But how do we showcase these skills? Consider taking on leadership positions within clubs, teams, or community organizations. This could mean stepping up as a club president, leading as a team captain, or organizing community service projects. These roles indicate your ability to guide others, manage tasks, and make decisions that affect a group's success. Remember, leadership is not just about holding a title. It's about the impact you make and the change you inspire. It's about motivating others, solving problems, and creating a positive environment. So when you take on a leadership role, make sure you're truly committed to making a difference. Leadership roles indicate that you can take initiative and manage responsibilities. Moving forward, we have community service. Taking the time to volunteer in your community might not seem like it has a lot to do with academics, but it's a crucial component of a well-rounded academic resume. By dedicating your time and energy to helping others, you're showing more than just a commitment to your community. You're demonstrating a deep-rooted sense of empathy, character, and the willingness to contribute positively to the world around you. Community service can take many forms, from mentoring younger students, cleaning up local parks, to helping out at a food bank or homeless shelter. The key is to find a cause you genuinely care about and give your time in a meaningful way. When universities see community service on your academic resume, they see a student who's not just focused on their own success, but someone who cares about the wider world. Community service shows that you care about making a difference. Next on our list is research experience. This activity is a fantastic way to demonstrate your curiosity, critical thinking skills, and potential for academic success. Engaging in research projects or internships related to your academic interests shows your commitment to learning beyond the classroom. Not only does it provide you with an opportunity to delve deeper into a subject that fascinates you, but it also allows you to contribute to the body of knowledge in your chosen field. Whether you're assisting a professor in a lab, conducting your own independent study, or interning at a research institution, the hands-on experience you gain is invaluable. It can help you understand the real-world applications of your studies and hone your problem-solving skills. Plus, it's a great way to show universities and colleges that you're proactive, diligent, and capable of taking on challenging tasks. Research experience is a testament to your curiosity and critical thinking skills. Now let's talk about part-time employment. Engaging in part-time work or internships isn't just about earning some extra cash. It's a platform to hone valuable skills. It's where you can showcase your ability to communicate effectively, work as a team, and manage your time efficiently. Imagine this. You're working in a bustling cafe, serving up smiles and lattes. You're not only learning how to make the perfect espresso, but you're also developing your interpersonal skills, learning to interact with a diverse range of customers. Or picture this. You're an intern at a local newspaper. You're not just drafting articles, but also demonstrating your ability to meet deadlines, work under pressure, and collaborate with a team. These experiences are not just jobs. They're opportunities to grow, learn, and demonstrate your capabilities beyond the classroom. They show that you can juggle academic demands with work commitments and thrive. A part-time job can show that you are responsible and can balance multiple commitments. Eighth on our list is artistic or creative pursuits. Unleashing your inner artist is not only a great way to express your unique perspective, but it's also a fantastic addition to your academic resume. Whether you're an aspiring musician, a budding writer, a theater enthusiast, or a visual arts aficionado, your artistic pursuits demonstrate your creativity, your ability to think outside the box, and your commitment to honing your craft. These pursuits are much more than hobbies. They're a testament to your dedication and your willingness to explore new ideas. Universities and colleges value students who bring a diverse range of talents to their campuses, and your artistic or creative pursuits could be just the thing that sets you apart from other applicants. So whether you're painting murals, composing symphonies, writing poetry, or directing plays, don't forget to highlight these experiences on your academic resume. Your creative pursuits display your unique talents and perspectives. Next, we have language proficiency. In an ever-shrinking globe, language proficiency is a skill that is increasingly in demand. It's not simply about being able to speak more than one language, it's about understanding and appreciating different cultures, perspectives, and ways of life. Being proficient in multiple languages demonstrates your ability to adapt, your intellectual curiosity, and your willingness to step out of your comfort zone. Universities highly value these traits, particularly those with strong programs in languages, international relations, or global issues. Moreover, the benefits of being multilingual extend beyond academia. It opens up opportunities for international travel, work, and collaboration. It can also enhance your cognitive skills, such as problem-solving and multitasking. So, if you have the opportunity to learn a new language or improve your proficiency in one, seize it. It's a skill that will serve you well in your academic journey and beyond. Being multilingual can be a significant advantage in our increasingly globalized world. Our penultimate activity is athletic achievements. Now let's sprint into the realm of sports and athleticism. You don't have to be an Olympian to highlight your athletic achievements on your academic resume. Universities and colleges appreciate students who can balance academics with physical pursuits. If you've played on a sports team, led your peers as a captain, or received awards for your athletic prowess, these are all worth mentioning. They demonstrate your ability to work within a team, show leadership, and maintain discipline. Whether it's soccer, swimming, track, or chess, these activities signify your commitment to health, strategy, and teamwork. It's not merely about the sport itself, but the qualities it helps you develop. Your dedication, hard work, and resilience are all on display when you excel in sports. Remember, it's not the trophy that counts, but the sweat and effort you've put into earning it. Your athletic achievements can showcase your discipline, teamwork, and perseverance. Finally, we have special awards or recognition. This category is a golden opportunity to showcase your unique skills and hard-won victories. Whether you've won a national science fair, been recognized for your extraordinary community service, or received an honor for your artistic talent, these notable achievements deserve a place on your academic resume. These awards and recognitions are not just shiny badges to decorate your resume. They're evidence of your dedication, your commitment, and your drive to excel. They show colleges and universities that you've gone above and beyond, that you've distinguished yourself in your chosen field or interest. Remember, these accolades don't have to be strictly academic. Awards in areas of personal interest or passion, whether it's chess, filmmaking, or environmental conservation, can be just as impressive. So don't be shy about including these special awards or recognitions. They're a testament to your hard work, your talent, and your potential. These awards and recognitions further validate your skills and accomplishments. So, there you have it. The top 10 activities to include in your academic resume. From maintaining high academic achievements through rigorous coursework to actively participating in extracurricular activities that reflect your interests. Don't forget the importance of demonstrating leadership within these activities, or the value of community service. Engaging in research related to your academic interests can set you apart, as can holding part-time jobs that demonstrate key skills. Don't underestimate the power of artistic pursuits to showcase your creativity, and if you're proficient in multiple languages, that's a definite plus. Athletic achievements also speak volumes about your dedication and team spirit, and of course any special awards or recognitions should definitely make their way onto your resume. Remember, it's about demonstrating commitment, leadership, and personal growth through your involvement. Quality often matters more than quantity. Good luck with your academic journey.